Hello guys, I'm here with my friend Cosmo, Emeo Electo Young. He's a sweetheart, he's my friend, very good boy, and we're gonna show you that he can do a flyby. I can put it somewhere and he will fly to me. Watch. I'm gonna put him there and watch. Cosmito! Cosmo! Cosmo! Come on! Come! Cosmo! Come! Cosmo! Hey! 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 Cosmo, come! Come, Cosmo! Let's go! Cosmo! Come! Hey! Here it is. You see that? That's cool, no? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. So smart. You got a good boy, Cosmo. You got a good boy. I just want to show you guys that I haven't training or nothing. I have done it a few times and he got it. And now he's gonna do it. He does it. Look, I do it again. Watch. Come, Cosmo. Come. He wants to be at me. He wants papi attention. Look. Alright, you sit there for a little bit. Alright, friends. I hope you guys like the video. Here I have the other rest of the family. More birds. And that's the female. That's his girlfriend. She's very quiet and tame. She's shy. She's shy. A shy girl. I don't think she's tame now. I think she's kind of semi-tame. She will not go crazy, but if I try to touch her, hello, hello. You see? She tries to bite. Ah, she's giving out. She's giving in. She's giving in. Look. Ah, I'm the king of the birds. She never let me do that before. I guess now she's getting to know me. Now you love Papi too? Yeah, you love Papi. And you, Cosmo? You love Papi? Yeah, they all love me. And look at those. Look at those two. They're just jealous. They want attention. Here. Let me go over here. This one, they just want attention. Hi. You wanna be in the movie too? In the video? Yeah, you wanna be in the video? Such a good girl. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I love you too. I love you. Yeah. I love you too, mommy. I love you too. Here, boy. They're jealous. They see Cosmo and me and they say, no. We want to be on you, but without Cosmo. They don't want to share. See, look at that. You just want attention. You just want attention. I know. I wish I could do that every day. But work, family, responsibility, house, company, backyard, birds. I cannot do that every day. But I take my time on the weekends and I spend some time with my little friends here. So I hope you guys like my video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and you want more videos like that. And thanks a lot for all my subscribers. I already have like 70 and I started with 1 or 2. That's how it is. You start with something and you put your effort in and you can go as far as you want. Alright, love you everybody. Bye bye.